Ghana. Any abattoir. Your standard at the same. Don't forget, research has proven say any power motor about 1992. The hope and the trust and the belief was 120%.
Okay.
Now, the hope is 51%. It tells you, say,
people are losing trust in our election.
Trust in our election. And based on this, most of the research is about, a point in a clear. Say supporters of both parties, if they all vote for their candidate, it can win election. Research approves her. So me, I would prefer say the political parties will go beyond the idea of positioning. And then make sure say they go extra mile. But if this is what they are doing in there, then I'm afraid. Then the possible runoff will come. Say ya no be any there possible runoff will come. Because enema bebrebe enye clear. Yen you deal with nipa bebrebe. There are times oko baby na nkomo omudi no me ye din to say de emfa me ho kra no ba nkomo omudi no it tells you say people are losing interest in our election, and for that matter we need to do something a bit me apeja enipa a trust enipa interest ewo abato and only the matter of fact also political parties a trust. If they think say well if the 51% comes automatically you be winning, they are daydreaming, because most of the research is about for this year alone. Actually say they be your undecided voters. Why are they undecided? It tells you that those undecided voters are the floating voters. So what are they doing to appeal to the voting floating voters?
And of course they determine who wins.
They determine who wins
the election.
Almost crowning the king in our election. It is no clear woman no, and a sank of one. They are not mean any people like that too. They are people they can put things on scale and weigh. So just say,
Baby Audrey, young cousin, ye pana, or Tifonti. This country, Mr. Mokrakan, and so once walk crowd. The typical NDC, when hear the party's manifesto, whatsoever to vote for the party. The same for MPP. Typical MPP, when hear the party's manifesto, he doesn't care about whatever is in it. Need the any party no.
Yeah.
And time and again, to say the now can research upon research has proven say these people don't care about the party now on the party now no panel. So NDC no panel. My NDC for saying na nkotwaba. That can't make NDC win
the election.
My MPP for mo the almost someone joining MPP the old baby omo panel. Some kofoni na to a yemfa MPP 4 pa nyina. Ya no so ntim mo enwene. Those that we term as floating voters, or those that we term as to say undecided ne sa na mani nyina no obi sa ho say sankrofo no almost in a way ensem
good
almost in a beka say no NDC to say MPP to say almost na din nsem to nti wo ma wuji wani eco free wo so say onye NDC ni do MPP ni na wo pepa who you want free sankrofo no say me me supporters that mind you your supporters alone can make you win. We NDC ni na ke me supporters that some a doctor can that who are in the gray area, there's a 9% to imagine say Mr. Amaka Simfan say and I want say recent findings or about 47% for you. Imagine say you are 47 now be 9%. Eba be so 47 this one. 56 and we just need 50 plus 1. So it means that these are people that you can also take for granted.